Imagine making $50,000 a month effortlessly. Sounds impossible? Let me show you how. Did you know that nearly 70% of people dream of starting their own business? It's a common aspiration, fueled by the desire to create something of their own and leave a lasting impact. They crave the freedom and financial independence it offers. The idea of being their own boss and having control over their destiny is incredibly appealing. But here's the catch: most people struggle to find that killer business idea, the one that stands out in a crowded market and has the potential to succeed, the one that can generate life-changing income, the kind of idea that not only sustains but also thrives, bringing in substantial revenue. I get it. I've been there. The frustration of trying to come up with something unique and viable can be overwhelming. Finding a business idea that truly resonates can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. The process can be daunting and discouraging, but what if I told you there's a way to make this process effortless? A method that simplifies the journey and makes it enjoyable. What if you could generate winning business ideas consistently? Ideas that are not only innovative, but also practical and profitable. The truth is, finding lucrative business ideas doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right approach, it can be a smooth and rewarding experience. Over the years, I've developed a system for effortlessly uncovering golden opportunities. A system that has been tested and proven to work. And the best part? It's a system anyone can replicate. Regardless of your background or experience, you can use this system to your advantage. In this essay, I'm going to break down my proven methods for generating business ideas that can bring in $50,000 per month or more in passive income. These methods are straightforward and easy to follow. Get ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential. The journey to financial freedom and business success starts here. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment if you find this video helpful. Early in my entrepreneurial journey, I struggled to find my footing. I chased after every shiny object and jumped on every trend. It was exhausting and, frankly, not very profitable. I knew I needed a better way. That's when I discovered the power of tapping into my own passions and experiences. I realized that the best business ideas often come from solving problems we've faced ourselves. For me, it was my passion for wine. I saw an opportunity to disrupt the traditional wine industry by making it more accessible and approachable online. That's how Wine Library TV was born. The success of Wine Library TV taught me a valuable lesson. The most effortless business ideas are often right in front of us. We just need to know where to look and how to unlock their potential. Brainstorming is like exercising your entrepreneurial muscle. It's about getting those creative juices flowing and letting ideas spill out without judgment. Don't censor yourself. Start by identifying your passions and interests. What are you naturally drawn to? What problems do you see in the world that you're eager to solve? Next, think about your skills and experiences. What are you good at? What unique knowledge or expertise can you offer? Once you have a good understanding of your strengths and passions, start brainstorming business ideas that align with them. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore unconventional ideas. Brainstorming is a great starting point, but it's crucial to validate your ideas with market research. This means understanding your target audience, their needs, and their willingness to pay for your solution. There are countless ways to conduct market research. You can start by simply talking to people in your target market. Ask them about their pain points, their aspirations, and what products or services they wish existed. Online tools like Google Trends, social media analytics, and industry reports can provide valuable insights into market demand, competitor analysis, and emerging trends. Remember, the goal of market research is to gather data that helps you refine your business idea and increase its chances of success. Trends are like tailwinds for your business. By identifying and capitalizing on emerging trends, you can position yourself for rapid growth and profitability. Keep a close eye on industry publications, social media platforms, and online forums to stay ahead of the curve. Pay attention to what people are talking about, what problems they're facing, and what solutions they're seeking. For example, the rise of remote work has created a surge in demand for online collaboration tools, virtual event platforms, and home office equipment. By recognizing this trend early on, entrepreneurs have been able to launch successful businesses catering to these needs. Remember, trends come and go. The key is to identify trends with staying power and align them with your passions and skills. One of my most successful business ideas came from combining my passion for entrepreneurship with the power of online education. I saw a gap in the market for practical, actionable business advice that was accessible to everyone. That's how VaynerMedia was born. We provide a wide range of educational resources, including online courses, workshops, and coaching programs, designed to help aspiring and established entrepreneurs achieve their business goals. The key to VaynerMedia's success lies in its ability to deliver high-value content in an engaging and accessible format. We focus on providing practical strategies and tactics that our audience can implement immediately to see real results. When it comes to generating $50,000 per month or more in passive income, automation and scalability are your best friends. These powerful concepts can transform the way you do business, making it more efficient and profitable. These concepts allow you to create a business that works for you, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find that your business has been running smoothly and generating income without your direct involvement. Automation involves using technology to streamline and automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and resources to focus on higher-level activities. This means you can dedicate more time to strategic planning and innovation. This could include using email marketing software to automate your email campaigns, ensuring that your messages reach your audience at the right time without manual intervention. Social media scheduling tools to manage your online presence, allowing you to maintain a consistent and engaging presence on various platforms. Or e-commerce platforms to handle your online sales, making it easier to manage inventory, process orders, and provide customer support. Scalability refers to your business's ability to handle increased demand without a corresponding increase in workload. This is crucial for sustainable growth and long-term success. This often involves creating digital products or services that can be sold and delivered online, such as ebooks, online courses, or software applications, allowing you to reach a global audience without geographical limitations. By leveraging automation and scalability, you can build a business that not only survives but thrives in the digital age. Having a great business idea is just the first step. It's the spark that ignites the journey, but it's only the beginning of a long and rewarding path. The real magic happens when you take action and bring your vision to life. This is where dreams transform into reality and ideas become tangible. Don't let fear, perfectionism, or procrastination hold you back. These are common barriers that can paralyze even the best ideas. Overcoming them is crucial. Start by creating a simple business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This plan doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be a clear guide. This will serve as your roadmap for success. It will help you stay focused and on track, ensuring that you don't lose sight of your objectives. Next, focus on building your minimum viable product, a basic version of your product or service that you can launch quickly and start testing in the market. This step is about learning and adapting. The goal is to get your idea in front of real customers as soon as possible to gather feedback and iterate based on their needs. This feedback loop is invaluable for refining your offering. Remember, entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term commitment that requires endurance, patience, and resilience. Be prepared to put in the work, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and never give up on your dreams. Every obstacle is a chance to learn and improve, bringing you one step closer to success. Now that you have the tools and strategies to generate effortless business ideas, it's time to put them into action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect idea. The best time to start is now. Remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who are willing to experiment, learn from their mistakes, and constantly iterate. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. Starting and growing a successful business can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. There are countless resources available to support you on your entrepreneurial journey. Explore online business forums, attend industry events, and connect with other entrepreneurs in your community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can offer guidance, support, and inspiration. Remember, knowledge is power. Invest in your education by reading books, listening to podcasts, and taking online courses on topics related to your business. I'm eager to hear from you. What are some of your biggest challenges when it comes to finding business ideas? What strategies have you found helpful in generating profitable business ideas? Share your thoughts, questions, and insights in the comments section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other and achieve our entrepreneurial dreams together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts below.